So, yan guys. Ito guys yung malapit na bar. So guys, pupuntahan natin yung falls dito na malapit. Kung ma-breakfast pa yung mga kasama ko guys sa apartment. So, I am here alone. This is beautiful guys. Ayan. Nasa adventure po tayo mag-isa. Postal Trape de Tosca. My God, ang ganda guys ng tubig, oh. See, this is beautiful. Postal ito guys. Parang ang tawag doon, hotel na mostly yung mga travelers dito sila nag-i-stay. Tawag nila hostel. Ang ganda guys. This is wonderful. Ito yung nakikita dun sa sa window ng room namin kaninang naka-LS ako. So, ayan, parang nasa Pinas lang tayo. May tubig po tayo dito. Try natin umakyat doon para makita natin ng malapit. Ang linaw ng tubig. The water is so clear guys. And beautiful. Clear and beautiful. Paano kaya tayo makakaakyat dun sa kabila? It has two falls. Two waterfalls guys. Hindi tayo makaakyat sa kabila. You see. Ay against the light po tayo. Tapos meron pang isa doon sa taas. My God, sayang. It's against the light guys. It says here it's prohibited the dogs and fishing guys. So the dogs and fishing here, they cannot come. So for those who loves fishing, ayan, hindi po tayo pwede. Hindi po tayo pwede mag-fishing. This is beautiful guys. Kaya lang, against the light. May two falls guys. Yung isa na dun sa taas. Ayun, and then dito sa baba. Ayun. Try natin guys mag-video na hindi ko pa ang light. Ang ganda niya. So, it's like we are in the Philippines guys because you know, the rivers in the Philippines looks like this. Sayang talaga, against the light po tayo. So, you see guys. Ayan. So guys, most of my video this time is raw vlogs. I am not going to edit anymore. Just upload. Because I have lots of videos. Ayan po tayo. Mega love shoutout sis Lorico, sis Born Free TV, sis JRS, sis Katya, sis Leia, Ruby Gems Vlog, Jamie Hardings, GPT Mix TV, DGM Mix Vlog, Kuyang Tony Mix Vlog, Lutz Dotado, Ads Diary, Kakuda Pom. Ayan, mega love shoutout, Ading Charles, Lumawig, mga hindi pa natin nabanggit dyan. Brother Peter, mega love shoutout. Your sister here. Sister Georgia, Sis Heart, and Soul Matter, Sis Anna, condolence. Who's more? Lucia in Italy, Lucia, Sister Alessia, Corada Rocky, mega love shout out. Sis Simply, you see, where is your sister? Sino pa yung mga hindi natin nababanggit dyan? Pasensya na po kung di ko kayo mabanggit lahat. Ayan. Nasa galaan po tayo, kaya pasensya muna yung mga hindi ko masupport, ang YT. Ayan. Sis Jenna, mega love shout out. I almost forgot. Ayan, very supportive po si Sis Jenna sa ano natin. Sa mga live stream natin sa 2 channels. Ayan. Ruby Jams Vlog, just in case I didn't mention you yet, here I am. Ayan. So guys, mag ASMR ako ha. Thank you so much.